Reducing inflammation of the liver and pancreas is important for your overall health. There are some beneficial foods that can help do just that, as well as assisting in ridding your body of certain toxins. Here, we talk about of them. A healthy pancreas and liver are crucial for your digestive system to function properly. They also play an important role in the synthesis of fats and digestive enzymes. However, the pace of modern life, packed schedules, and processed food that promises to save you time don't help in maintaining the health of these two organs. Today's video will discuss 3 foods to fight liver and pancreas inflammation. A healthy diet isn't just important for maintaining a balance in your liver and pancreas, it can also alleviate inflammation and restore them to their optimal condition. There are also certain foods that we recommend incorporating into your diet because of their nutritional content. Here are 7 of them. 1. Green tea. Among the many properties and health benefits of green tea is its ability to help reduce inflammation in your liver and pancreas. In addition, the catechins in green tea help improve the way these organs function overall. Green tea also helps reduce fat in your liver and can help it regenerate faster. This is due to its high antioxidant content. However, you shouldn't drink more than 1 cup a day. 2. Avocados. Avocados are rich in glutathione, a non-protein tripeptide that's derived from amino acids and helps reduce toxins in your liver and pancreas. Plus, don't forget that avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, also known as good fats. They're beneficial for your artery walls and divert bad cholesterol so that it's more easily metabolized by your liver. 3. Olive oil. Organic cold-pressed oils like olive oil, hemp oil, and flaxseed oil are great allies for your liver and pancreas. Nevertheless, you should only eat them in moderation and as naturally as possible. For example, a drizzle on a salad or whole wheat toast. These oils can help reduce inflammation in your liver and pancreas, purify them of harmful toxins, and optimize your whole body. Nowadays, it's really easy to find these delicious grains in the supermarket and health food stores. Have you ever tried any remedies to fight liver and pancreas inflammation? Let me know in our comment section below.